Garage door won't open? Start with the simple stuff: power, lock, and remote batteries. Check the photo eye safety sensors. Clean the lenses and make sure they're aligned. Look for broken springs or snapped cables. If you see damage, stop and call a pro. If the door is off track or rollers are jammed, don't force it. This can worsen damage. Opener problems like a bad capacitor, stripped gear, or misset limits can stall the lift. When in doubt, schedule service. Garage door repairs can be dangerous DIY.